Newton's first law of motion states that an object at rest remains at rest, and an object in motion remains in motion unless acted upon by an external force. This is also known as the law of inertia.
This is an example of Newton's first law.
For this experiment, you need a cup, a card, put the card on top, and you need a coin. I'm going to use a penny. So I'm going to flick the card, so I'm adding an external force to it. Since the penny was at rest, it remained in rest. And
This experiment is another example of Newton's first law.
you need a cup, fill it about 3/4 with water. You need a plate, put it on top of the cup. You need a bottle and an egg.
Now you just hit it. Yum.
Newton's second law.
Defines a force to be equal to change in momentum, mass times velocity, per change in time. For an object with a constant mass, m, the second law states that the force F is the product of an object's mass and its acceleration, a. In other words, F equals ma.
This is an example of Newton's second law. So this is an object with a small mass. When an object with a small mass is thrown at the textbook will not fall. And this is an object with a larger mass. When an object with a larger mass is thrown at the textbook, it will fall.
Newton's third law of motion states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Yum. This is an example of Newton's third law, action-reaction force. So as Alexis pushes off the counter is going to push back, and she's going to accelerate in this direction. Yum.